Swimming offers a distinct chance for individuals to enhance their physical well-being. When we submerge ourselves in water, our body experiences a denser atmosphere that provides up to 12 times more resistance than air, thereby allowing our muscles to work to their maximum potential while reducing stress on our joints. Curious about the effects of daily swimming on your body? Watch this video in its entirety to find out. Let's dive in. Swimming engages nearly every muscle in your body. Unlike running, which only utilizes approximately 70% of our muscles, swimming activates all your muscles, resulting in a noticeable improvement in overall muscle condition with regular practice. Even the smallest stabilizing muscles, typically underused in everyday life, are recruited during swimming, a benefit that can only be achieved while in a horizontal position. Improved posture is another noticeable benefit of swimming, particularly when employing proper technique. Have you ever seen a swimmer with poor posture? It's unlikely. Swimming works in two directions to achieve this result. Firstly, it strengthens the stabilizing muscles that support the shoulder blades and the chest. Secondly, it enhances flexibility and stretching of the chest and shoulder muscles, making it more natural and comfortable to maintain a straight posture. Regular swimming brings about a significant improvement in your cardiovascular system. Swimming is particularly beneficial for the health of the heart and blood vessels since you're in a horizontal position, making it more comfortable and convenient for the heart to pump blood without excessive harmful pressure. This position provides the most favorable conditions for optimal functioning of the cardiovascular system. Swimming is also an excellent form of physical activity that improves the health of your respiratory system by increasing its vital capacity. Vital capacity refers to the volume of air you can inhale, and athletes typically have a higher vital capacity. With a larger vital capacity, your lungs are better ventilated and your body receives more oxygen. The average adult has a vital capacity of about 3,500 cubic centimeters, while athletes typically have a 4,500 to 5,000 cubic centimeters. However, swimmers can achieve an even higher vital capacity of up to 6,200 cubic centimeters. Regular swimming can help strengthen your entire body, while also burning subcutaneous fat, making it an effective calorie-burning exercise. The number of calories you burn while swimming is dependent on your technique and swimming speed. For comparison, jogging burns around 500 calories per hour. Swimming can be less or more intense than jogging depending on the style. Breaststroke burns from 400 to 800 calories per hour depending on the speed. Crawl stroke burns from 500 to 1,000 calories per hour, and back crawl stroke has similar calorie burning indicators. Butterfly stroke burns from 600 to 1,000 calories per hour, but again, this depends on your speed. Swimming not only benefits your physical health, but also has a positive impact on your psycho-emotional state. It provides training for the nervous system and strengthens it through the process of plunging into cool water and then returning to a warm environment. Furthermore, swimming has been known to release endorphins, which contribute to the feeling of enjoyment. In addition, swimming has a calming effect on the mind, making it an effective stress reliever. As a result, people who regularly swim tend to have a more positive mood. Let's talk about how each swimming style can help improve specific muscles. When doing breaststroke, you'll primarily improve your chest and back muscles, as well as your shoulders, forearms, and triceps. For the classic crawl stroke, you'll mainly improve your shoulder, tricep, and back muscles, and secondarily, your hip and glute muscles. Back crawl style will primarily improve your back muscles, followed by your shoulder, traps, and hip muscles. Butterfly style will immediately improve your shoulder and tricep muscles as well as your back, abdominal, and chest muscles. However, it's worth noting that for many people, the butterfly technique is the most challenging due to the high level of strain it puts on your muscles. There you have it. Those are some of the amazing benefits of daily swimming. Before you go, be sure to check out these videos on our channel as they are packed with incredible content that will take your fitness goals to the next level.